Trust breaks when fear takes over. You know, fear doesn't always scream. Sometimes it whispers logic. Sometimes fear pretends to be discernment when it's really a doubt in disguise. You know the moment when fear takes over the steering wheel, trust step out of the driver's seat. Hihinto ka na sa pagsunod and you will start negotiating with what you see. That's exactly kung ano ang nangyari sa Red Sea. Nakita ng mga Israelita yung dagat in front of them and behind them is the army of Pharaoh. The logic said, we're trapped. Fear said, go back. But God never asked them to fight Pharaoh. He asked them to trust and move forward. You know, hindi nahati yung Red Sea dahil sa strategy ni Moises. Itinaas niya yung tungkod niya dahil sa pagsunod. The battle wasn't won by strength, but by surrender. You know, some battles are not meant to be fought. They are meant to be surrendered. Sometimes nararamdaman natin na we are trapped between what's behind us and what's ahead of us. It's easy to be drawn back to what's comfortable, even if God's already said to move forward. You know, obedience often doesn't make sense at first. It feels risky, it feels exposed, but surrender is where God's power being revealed. Maybe ang breakthrough na inaantay mo isn't on the other side of more effort, but it's in the other side of letting go. So today, receive this message, take this to your heart, choose trust over fear, choose stillness over striving, choose surrender over fear. You know why? Because the sea only split when obedience is lifted. God bless.